Hi cuties, what's up? I am Sakshi. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So tomorrow is my CA final exam result and I am not feeling that great about it. I do have an exam tomorrow of BCom, like BCom final, and I am feeling very anxious right now. So I thought I will just chat with you all and we can all just trauma bond right now and just talk about everything that is going on. So the result dates came and the result is coming on 18th and today is 17th, so I am sort of scared and I do wanna ask you all, what do you think about this whole thing and the fact that results are coming so much more faster than they are anticipated usually result की timeline थोड़ी different होती है, but this time results are coming much faster, which I think is also a good thing because फिर exam देने के लिए you would have more time to like prep and जब तक result नहीं आया होता we are all a little bit more lenient towards ourselves, but अब रिजल्ट थोड़ा और जल्दी आएगा तो वी विल सी हाउ वी कैन प्रोसीड फर्दर एंड what people would want to do, like if people are gonna go for both groups or single group and stuff like that. Also I am feeling anxious right now because ये मेरा second attempt था and if you have ever given any attempt of CA then you would know कितना ज़्यादा anxiety inducing it is to be like giving these exams and then waiting for the result. So yeah, I just thought I will come in here and chat with you all. So yeah, I thought I will just come in here and talk to you all because what else can I really do right now? Even though I should be studying for my exam, but मुझसे बिल्कुल भी पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही है and I just am spiraling really hard. So I don't know, like the AFM exam in particular was very tough. So I don't know what will happen because of that exam and yeah, we'll see what will happen and we will know it sooner or later. And kal I have my exam from 10 in the morning till 1. So yeah, after that I think कि exam थोड़ा दिन में ही आ जाएगा, but they have announced कि evening तक आएगा, so let's see how that will be and I am thinking of making a video about it. So जो भी मेरा result होगा I'm going to share it with you all because I feel like मैं अपना exam experience share कर रही हूँ, people are relating with me, people are talking to me, people are telling me about their own battles and how they are really dealing with everything and how they are studying for the exam, and then जब result आ रहा है तो if I don't show up then I don't think that would be a really nice thing. Whatever my result will be I will share it with you all. Honestly मैं कुछ भी नहीं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं पास होने वाली हूँ या फेल होने वाली हूँ because what's really the point of that. And on that same note I also want to know what do you guys feel about the whole releasing date for when the exam result will come, like what is the point of it. I was just thinking about this and I was also talking to my boyfriend about it, like what is the whole point of giving these dates, like when the result will be, instead of just directly declaring the result, like what this really does. If you have any idea I would love to know why they sort of give you a date when the result will be. And yeah, I'm just curious and I would love to know what your take on that is because अब मेरे को 3 दिन पहले से ही पता है कि रिजल्ट आने वाला है एंड मैं बस उसके बारे में सोच रही हूँ, नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग एल्स, आई एम नॉट बीइंग प्रोडक्टिव, आई एम नॉट स्टडिंग फॉर माई एग्जाम्स एंड जस्ट लाइक कुछ भी कर रहे हो तुम, यू आर स्टिल फोकस्ड ऑन दिस ओनली एंड I don't know how I really feel about that. So I would love to know what you guys think about it and how you are feeling about the result. And obviously अच्छी बात है कि result थोड़ी जल्दी आ रहा है क्योंकि it's just better to get it out of the way and move on with your life as fast as you can. So yeah, that's it. I just thought I will do like a smaller video today because मैंने कोई और video भी नहीं shoot कर रखी है and मेरे exams भी चल रहे हैं. I don't want to make another exam day vlog because I don't know, it would be very repetitive, so मैंने वो नहीं बनाया है. And I would love to know how your study prep is really going like, so you guys can also let me know that. And in the meantime I am thinking of shooting a YouTube video about some books and I am somebody who really enjoy reading books. So मैं अभी YouTube पे इतना ज़्यादा books के बारे में content नहीं shoot करती हूँ, but I just feel like if not now then when, sharing a little bit more of book content with you all. So you guys can also let me know what you feel about that. So yeah, I will just have my matcha, I'm gonna shoot that video and yeah, I will eventually have to study but I'm not gonna study right now. तो देखती हूँ, I might start studying around the evening time because it's almost 1 p.m. right now when I'm shooting this video. I just thought I will catch up with you all and you guys can let me know what you think, how you're feeling, what your family is feeling like, and just stuff like that. I would love to know. So that's going to be it, and I will see you all in my next video. This was just like a small catch up video, and yeah, also I want to know your opinion on something. So the thing is that I am planning to do like weekly updates here on YouTube, and in those updates I will talk about everything that I've studied that week and how my progress is really being like I have been thinking about doing this for such a long time, and then I saw another creator doing it. So I think that it can be fun and it can be beneficial for both of us because you would know how much somebody else is able to do in a week, and I would also love to know how you much are able to do in a week so that I can also get some help in that. And yeah, I will just know what my pace is really being like. So yeah, that's going to be it. I would love to know your feedbacks on all the things that I've mentioned, and yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow because tomorrow is result day, and yeah, I am going to be shooting my reaction, I think, or if I don't end up shooting my reaction, I will still share if I failed or if I passed. And yeah, fingers crossed I will pass, but let's see how it will be. And yeah, that's going to be it. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.